Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna jump straight into this video, y'all. So before I begin anything, I like to take my silk therapy. I use this as a heat protectant. You always use a heat protectant when you are using any type of hot tools, whether it be on your real hair or your weave. So I'm just gonna take my silk therapy and I'm going to distribute it through almost every strand of this hair. Okay, so once I have it distributed even throughout the hair, I'm just going to go in and I'm going to part the hair into 3 sections. You do not have to do this step, but this just makes it easier for me to keep control of what I'm doing. So now I'm just going to take my BAYBLISS flat iron and I'm going to begin curling the hair. So what you're going to do is you're going to take small sections of the hair. It needs to be no bigger than the width of the flat iron. So the flat iron is a 1-inch tool, so you don't want any parts that are bigger than 1 inch. And what I do is I curl away from the face. Now, the secret is to keep the flat iron underneath the hair as you are turning. Because you can curl the hair and when the flat iron is flipped on top of the hair, it leaves a line that shows the indentation of where the flat iron was. But if you curl underneath the hair, then the hair will become straight as you go down and it's going to curl and give you that perfect curl. So right now I'm just going to show y'all how I do it again. So I'm going to grab it at the root and turn it underneath the hair. And basically what I'm doing is a pull and turn technique. So I'm going to pull it and turn it and 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 pull it and turn it. So yeah, that's basically all I'm doing. Every time I pull, I do turn, and every time I turn, I pull. And when I'm done and reach the end, I grab the hair and wrap it around my finger. When I've gotten halfway through to the wig, I like to make the other side go the opposite way. So one side, the left side, I go away from the face. The right side, I go away from the face. I usually just part the hair down the middle so that way I know which side goes which. So yeah, I'm just gonna do one more in real time, and then I think I'm going to speed it up after that. But as you can see, I'm going away from the face. I'm keeping the flat iron underneath the hair as I'm pulling and turning. So yeah, I also really like this flat iron for flat iron curls because the flat iron gets hot on both sides. So because it gets hot on both sides, that means no matter where your hair is with the flat iron, it's going to curl. Because usually with a flat iron, like a regular flat iron, it only got hot in the middle. So the hair has to pass through the middle in order for it to technically get a curl. But with this type of flat iron, because you have heat on the inside and on the outside, it's literally going to give you the perfect curl, and it's going to give you an even curl as well. So throughout the video, you're also going to see some lines on my cap. Y'all don't mind that. I just learned how to make wigs on a sewing machine, so that's my lines of guidance for me to, do it with the sewing machine. If y'all want to see a video on how to do that, let me know in the comments below and I will help you out. And so now I guess I can get into the specs of the hair. This hair was actually for a client. She ordered this hair and got it sent to me to make her a wig. This hair was Tinashe's hair. I'm not really sure on like how much it was because that's not none of my business as you know how much she paid for her hair. But what I do know is she got this hair from Tinashe's hair, and it was 20 inches. It was 3 bundles of 20 inch, and it was a 20-inch closure, so she got all the same length. I do know that this is their BODYWAVE hair. Now, from working with the hair, what I can say about the hair is that it's actually really good hair. So it came in a really neat package. It really didn't come with anything but a card that said how to take care of the hair. It came with its bundle and closure, and it also came with a pair of lashes. And y'all know what lashes I'm talking about, them same lashes that they give y'all with every Aliexpress vendor bundles. So it came with those. It did not have a foul smell to it, but it did have that normal smell that you get like whenever you do get packaged hair. It has like a weird smell, but what I can say is once I did wash it and conditioned it, it did go away. As far as shedding and tangling, I didn't experience any as I was after I initially took it out of the packaging. Also, while I was washing it and as I was styling it, I didn't really experience any. The knots on the closure, I didn't bleach them like long. I just bleached them a little bit so it can loosen up for me to pluck the part. But what I can say that it was taking the bleach on the knots really fast and really well, so that's always a plus. And as you can see, the hair is curling really beautiful. Now what I can say, which is a plus for my client, the curls on this wig are going to last a very long time. And I think that's it that I have to say about the hair. There was little to no shedding with the hair. There was absolutely no matting at any point. I didn't experience any of that, and it's curling really well. Now I can ask my client how she likes the hair later on. For those of you who are wondering, if you are wondering, make sure you guys leave me a comment below so I know whether or not I need to ask her or not. I'll also leave a link to Tinashe's hair in the description box below, and all the products and tools that I did use, so make sure you guys are checking that out. Also, if you enjoy videos like this where I'm styling wigs and using different tools and products, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave me some comments below. Let me know below what type of videos y'all want to see, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. If you made it this far into the video and listening to my annoying voice, subscribe and become one of my friends. So yeah, I'm just going to stop talking and I'm just going to let y'all enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll be back whenever I get to the end. See ya! Alright guys, so we are completely done curling this bad boy, and I'm just going to take my Paul Mitchell Stay Strong hairspray and spray all over the hair. Now I usually don't use such a strong hairspray, but because I am shipping this off to my client, I want to make sure that the curls stay intact, because this is a ready to wear wig, meaning she can just take it out the packaging, shake it out a little bit to fluff it out, and just wear it. So in order for the curls to stay, I have to use a strong hairspray. So you just saw me spray the hairspray in my hand, rub it in and rub the top, and pass the flatter over it, and that's just to lay down all the flyaways in the hair. So now I'm just going to finger comb the hair out, and I'm just basically loosening up the curls so that way it falls however I desire it to fall. I do not recommend doing this step with a comb unless it is a white comb, but using my hand does the job, so I don't mind using my hand. And look how beautiful these curls are with only a flat iron. Like, I know a lot of people have trouble using a flat iron to curl hair, and that's why I made this video, because I love using my curling iron I love using my flat iron to make beautiful bouncy curls, and it's really easy. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope it was to your liking, and if so, do not forget to give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. And as always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.